Your paw got stuck. You can't figure it out, so you come to a screeching halt on our walk. Come on, Max, fix it. Come on. Let me help you, Max. All better?
Dude, you were so lazy.
Bark at your dog to see their reaction.
He's trying to save you! He's saving you! See? I'm drowning! Oh my god! I'm literally crying over my nails right now because they're so ugly. Oh my god, okay. This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels, and this is what I got. Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
You wanna get it? Go get it. Are you mad that I threw it, or go get it? Go get it. Go. You mad? You can't believe that I threw that in? I'm sorry.
Lou, in your crate.
How I feed my well-trained dog every morning.
Okay.
I can't take you anywhere! Hey, stop!
You're stressing him out. I know. Oh, Lord Jesus. You get it, buddy.
That's cute as hell, bro.
Get it.
decided to take Bull to class today, and let's just say I think everyone fell in love with him.
I know.